All right. The scanner delivered a loss. This must be a scam. No, guys, you should know by now that losses come with trading, right? It's not about wins and losses, right? It's about proper money management and risk to reward. It's about your losses being small and your wins being larger than the losses, right? If your trading career lasts 50 years, you're going to have losses every week for 50 years, right? But you're also going to have wins. And with the proper money management, risk to reward, you come out on the right side of things. So this morning, the scanner, right, as I've shown you before, these were all blue this morning, right? So as you know, if it's trending up on all time frames, we're just looking to jump in for the ride. You come over here, squish this up, you can see it's been going up, right? We just want to jump in for the ride. So we get this nice impulse, we get this beautiful pullback, draw a trend line, maybe that's the entry we want to do, right? It breaks the trend line, we're in, and it goes into profit, we're happy, stop loss is down here, and then all of a sudden, boom, we lose, right? That happens. What do? It's just on to the next trade, guys. It's on to the next trade, right? You're playing the numbers, you're playing probabilities. That's what trading's about, right? You don't live and die by each individual trade, you play the numbers. All right. If you want more details on this scanner, you've seen the massive success that we're having, that folks are having. It's been pretty crazy. So reach out, get the details. We got a holiday special going on right now that you don't want to miss.